Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on iPhone XR. So first, go into the settings and then the battery. We can enable the battery percentage so we can see how much our phone is charged. Let me just lower the brightness so you can see better. Now we can enable the low power mode and some of the features will automatically apply. Then go back and into the general right here. And from here we have software updates and wait for it to check for updates, and if you have any, like I do, then click update now, but I will do it later. There, go to display and brightness, enable dark mode. Here, brightness, you can lower it, and this raise to wake, it's better to disable so your phone won't wake in your pocket. And here we have auto lock, that it is disabled when in low power mode, but if you disable the low power mode, that we can do that in battery, disable, then display and brightness, scroll and auto lock. Here, shorten this time from never, like I have, to 1 minute. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.